Okay, so we're on Thursday and it's time for Ohm's law and the power. Okay, probably the most important equation that we have, or most important uh, law that we have in electricity is Ohm's law. That's really started everything going and allowed us to do a lot of analyses on electrical circuits and help us design better circuits. Ohm's law basically states how what the relationship is between voltage, current, and resistance, okay, or voltage, current, and conductance, okay. Uh, that law is used to determine what the voltages are on a circuit, as we will learn. Uh, and it there are three ways to express that law, but actually all you need to know is that in Ohm's law, V equals I times R. Okay, that's all you need to know, because then you just put in the numbers into what is V or what is R, and then you can solve for I. Or what is I, what is V, then you can solve for R. Or what is I, what is R, and you can solve for V, and what is, well, whatever it is, okay? So V equals IR is the basic Ohm's law. Some prefer to use I equals V over R, all right? Which also makes sense looking at it from a current point of view, okay? And power, all right? And power then is V times I. In other words, if you multiply voltage times amps, and we've learned this before, you get watts. Watts is power, which is energy per unit time. So power is what is delivered to the circuit. Power is also what is dissipated by the circuit. In other words, whatever the battery puts out power-wise, which is I times V, is absorbed by the circuit. By the time the electricity gets all through that circuit, it's been all used up. Okay. The same thing about the voltage. Okay. The voltage then is used up by all of the individual uh, circuits in the circuit. Okay, there could be more than one circuit. For now, we're just going to a series circuit. Okay, but if we only have one component, then all of the voltage is used up by the one component. But if we've got more components, then the voltage is distributed among all the other components that are in the circuit. Okay, so but it all obeys V equals IR. Okay, so that's the topic of today, and so let's get started and go that way.